Good morning. Tough one today for me. I don't know why. But just can't get the read on the tough ORBs. Gotta be able to read them. Other people I know won on the ORB, so it's definitely winnable. I just don't know what I did wrong. Always that hesitation. Easy orb. I took a second time. That was easy, but gotta try to get a trade in today somehow, somewhere. Hopefully it's not the same as yesterday. I'm still debating if I should go golfing. I was definitely gonna go, but now I lost, so I feel like I need to get a trade in. So I don't want to rush. So I'm gonna keep an eye on the tee times and see if they're still available. Even if I could just get 9 holes in today. It's cold out, but who's in the chat? Let's see. I don't have the chat up yet. Let me pull it up. We got Mr. Marius. We got Scott. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I lost on the RB again. Forgot about CPI this morning. Tomorrow we have PPI, so I'm gonna try to pass some evals. I mean, the best CPI, not CPI. Was it CPI? Yeah, it was. Best CPI ever imaginable. Easily pass evals there. So hopefully some of you guys managed to do that. So everything is pulling the market up and up, and we're at the point where it's either gonna break out or it's gonna reject hard. So longs are not as obvious now. If this rejects, it might not bounce, but I'm still gonna be long biased for now and see if we could catch a nice 2-legged pullback. Sorry, red days are right. 800 bucks I could live with, so I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna worry about that. That's just normal. I just need my 2-legged pullback trades. Otherwise, it sucks. Big range so far. No clean price action yet. We try to break below the 50-minute opening range, which is this low, and then we fail to go lower, I'll look for a 2-legged pullback there. If we break and we fail to go back into the range, then I'll wait for it to like a pullback down here somewhere. So a few ideas. We just need the market to give it to me. It's testing patience. Miss K, good morning. Ban, good morning. Dustin, good morning. Should I go play golf today? That's the question. Clyde, good morning. It's gonna be sunny, 42 degrees. I don't know, it's kind of cold still. Damn it, market. Why you gotta bounce already? This is like where talked about it last week, which the patience was there, but like right now I'm losing my patience. I am so close to just scalping. Just because yesterday I went without a trade, and today it looks like there's not gonna be a trade. But that could change in in a few minutes. But right now it's just so choppy. Like if this just dumps down, then it's like, oh wait, I could get a trade now. But right now there's just nothing. Come on. Be weak. Psycho Micros, good morning. Eric, good morning. 10 o'clock approaching. We have news apparently. But CPI CPI news, easy pass evals. Damn it. How are you guys doing? Any trades? Who's liking this choppy market? There's got to be some scalpers in there that love chop. Well, hope this news is violent and it dumps the market, because this is crazy that we're just stuck in the freaking 50-minute range. Like, holidays are over. Everything's over. Just dump it. Or go up something. By the way, that eval I was trading yesterday, I won on it. Like 4,000. The random trade I just took. Ended up working out. %80 drawdown. Yeah, I wonder if you're gonna get the email right away. I wonder how accurate that is. All right, 2 minutes. What cause? I have no idea what causes this chop. I guess everyone's undecided. I had 2 small winners because I was scared to keep them longer. Well, it's kind of hard to keep them longer today because it's so choppy. Nah, I don't think they're waiting for news. I think it's just the news that we have. I'm assuming it's not gonna be like super violent. I have no idea what news it is. Someone just said in the chat there's news, so can't tell you if it's gonna be violent or not. But 10 o'clock news is rare that it makes a big effect. There's occasional big move, but usually it's just a little bit of a spike or dump and then right back to let's see, home sales. All right, let's see. I'd love to see this break the 15-minute. It looks like it's gonna eventually break it. Ten seconds. So much for news. Come on, just retest the 15-minute low. Who's holding it up there? I mean, it is making lower highs every time, so, and it's making like a flat bottom. So I'm assuming it's gonna break today, but right. Those candles look promising. There we go. Good job, market. Nice try. I'll probably look for it to like a pullback now. But if we don't go back into this range, then I would like to be at the support levels down here. So hopefully we get there. They're gonna reject. Let's see. That looked pretty violent. That got absorbed pretty well. That got absorbed very, very well so far. Yep. All right. I'll look forward to like a pullback here. I'll try to attack the high of the day. Damn. Fuck you, market. I swear to God. Oh. Why is this happening? Why is this real life right now? Why does the market look different when I refresh? I gotta remember to do that. I already missed it to like a pullback. Yeah, I don't know why it doesn't show up the same way. I don't know. I'm confused why it does that. Entry long is right here, so can't take it now, can I? Fuck it. What we got to lose? Oops, 2 contracts meant to be 1. Entry should have been at 937. Oh man, I'm in 2 contracts. That is not good. Can't play the way I want it to now. Damn. Got really frustrated there. See, this holds here. I doubt it. I'm in way too much size now to give it a proper risk. That's the problem. I am 20 points too high of an entry and in 2 contracts. It's great. Yeah, because I have TRADEIFY open, right? And I looked at it and I was like, wait a minute, 2-legged pullback happened already. Like, and I reloaded QUANTOWER and I knew right away. I don't know why it does that. Really don't. I have to take a full stop there. And then we'll see. It's not gonna go though. It's not gonna go. It's super weak right now. Usually when it goes right away. So that's unfortunate timing of things. Yeah, fuck you, market. All right, we got like 1 more try on these accounts, maybe 2 more tries. We're gonna full send and see what happens. There's a very easy chance to win like $4,000 on the 2-legged pullback if you get a right one. So hopefully we could get down to the lows. I'm gonna keep watching TRADEIFY though and making sure that I don't miss it. Even though I would have lost regardless, but I would have entered right here. Location is so important. I got frustrated there, so that's why I entered, but and I took 2 contracts by mistake. It's fucking crazy how bad things go out of hand. See, can we retest the lows? It's definitely downtrading today, which is a good thing. For me, but when it has these pullbacks like that, that's when it kind of sucks you in there. That was a horrible trade on my end. The daily chart's not looking the best for longs today, though. That's the other problem. So next trade, gotta hope that we get 50, 60 points or so on 2 contracts, and that'll recover the loss. Crazy how fast I lost, right? Look how fast I lost 40 points. Crazy. 35 points I lost. It is insane that it takes much longer to win. Come on, baby. Go down. Need aggressive sell-off here. So that way it has a reason to bounce. Oh wow, the 50K account's almost gone. Jesus. That's why I don't like 50K accounts. It's so stupid. You take a couple losses and the account's gone. Gotta trade micros or something. Yeah, that account's gone. Damn. I didn't realize. Good thing I didn't activate my trade day accounts for today. Or take profit. I got half a month left, and don't want this to be my first month since May of 2023 where I don't get a payout. But right now it's looking like it. If I don't recover these accounts, trade day and take profit will be the ones to save the month. Because if I start the new ones, I won't get the payout. Like if I start these, by the time I get to the payout, it's going to be next month already. Come on, give me a good fucking trade market, please. Please, I ask. All right, go, go, go. Longs have to give up at some point. It just seems like lower highs, lower lows every time. Obviously, the 850 area is interesting to me, but then when you zoom out, that's just probably a temporary support. So we go lower, but we'll see. There we go, Dustin. There she goes lower. Hello, Tarun. How are you? All right, that was the first pullback. Do I take this one though? It's not really. We'll see how clean it looks. All right, let's see how this low does. Like when you zoom out, it definitely looks like this low has no chance to hold it, but we'll see. Yep. Already broke. But let's see. So now I'm going to take a two-legged pullback wherever it happens. Reload again. It's crazy how it looks so... Like something's wrong with QUANTOWER. I'm watching it on TRADEIFY. right. TRADEIFY had a pullback already. It was kind of like minor, so I'm not gonna take that. So this is gonna be the first pullback here. Nope. See, there is a first pullback here already. I don't get it. I really don't know if it's because my QUANTOWER's just been running for so long. All right, I'm not gonna take that yet. All right, let's make a new low. Come on, one more time. There we go. Right now we have a huge downtrend, so longing this is just not something I'm very confident in. But Miguel, good morning to you. Yeah, Dustin, it's daily chart's definitely not looking good for longs, but closely watch the price action and hopefully I get a clean setup and it works. That's the biggest thing. It's got to work. Got one more shot at saving these accounts. Maybe two. Two more shots. Come on, get over the moving average. The 20 moving average is freaking a wall today. I mean, ideally, this continues to sell off. That's as long as it doesn't give me a two-legged pullback while it's selling off, that will be the best case scenario. And if it speeds up to the downside, that's going to be the best. Okay, new lows, so resets the pullbacks. Yeah, the 20 moving average is crazy. It's just sticking to it. So even if you're short, it's just a very painful short to be in. Those bounces are, 20 points. Pine tree, I don't know about a good one, but it's a morning. So I went to the dealership yesterday, so I'm pretty much set on buying this car for my dad. But I hate salespeople, guys. I really hate salespeople. He tells me, you know, I told him like, oh, we like the color because, you know, I have a 911 like that and blah, blah, blah. And now he starts using this information to his advantage. It's like, because I told him, I'm like, there's a white one with half the miles for only $1,000 more. He's like, but this is not a white one, and that's why you're here. I'm like, holy fuck, I'm about to walk out from this guy and go to someone else. So he says, we can't lower the price. I'm like, okay, not a problem. I walk out. He starts texting me. It's like, oh, can you send me the other one? I'll talk to my manager so we could save you a few bucks. I'm like, now? And then he wants me to leave a deposit. Yeah, sure. I might piss him off and just go and buy it. When we go Saturday, I might buy it from someone else. Like a different sales guy. Like, why do sales guys have to be so sleazy? Like, dude, I see right through it. All right, first pullback. We're above the moving average for once. Might count this as one pullback. Some quant on TRADEIFY kind of looks different. Yeah, I'm gonna count this as one pullback so far. Damn, pine tree. That'll be really cool. Well, my dad's been helping me with everything, whether it's my DJ business stuff, like he built me furniture for the DJ business, like DJ booths, and has helped me a ton with that. All my offices he renovated, my house he renovated. Like the least I could do is buy him a car. And it's not like I'm buying him a brand new car. It's just a nicely spec'd. He's retired, so he doesn't drive a lot, so it doesn't have to be brand new. And brand new cars just depreciate, SUVs especially. No point of buying brand new. All right, guess we're still going lower here. Let's see. Okay, we go above 845, then we pull back. I'll take the new high. I wish I had my Epic pen. Brush marker. Wow, that's terrible. Then, wow, I gotta change that every time. All right, so 8:45. All right, next pullback I'm buying. And let's hope it works. Yeah, the only reason I don't want to get the Macan is because the dash is kind of outdated. They never updated the dash. Like the dash on the Macan looks the same as my 2013 Boxster. Otherwise, he doesn't need a big car. He doesn't even want a big car. Like he doesn't want the V8. He wants the V6. But yeah, we looked at Macans as well. Beautiful car. All right, right off the bat, not working. Fuck. Oh, what a day. I guess I am going golfing after all. Damn. Of course, when you need it the most, it never works. But today's not the day for it. At least not on the daily chart. Well, we'll give it to the new lows. At this point, what's the difference? I would stay away from prop shop. If I had to say anything about them, I would just stay away. At least we held another lower high or higher low. And 60 points here. Have I thought about going back to trade them individually? Yeah, but individually, I would never have enough trades. If I trade this way, I would never have enough trades. I would have to scalp, which I'm trying not to do right now because scalping is fun, but when it doesn't work, it's just painful. Like if this trade works out, it's gonna be all worth it. Even though I lost 2 accounts because the 50K I had too much size on. Because I took 2 contracts before, so I'm taking 2 contracts now. I meant to take 1 before, but big rejection, huge rejection there. No, I wasn't doing better. What do you mean I was doing better? Maybe less stress, but I wasn't doing better, no. 'Cause I took 50 2 contracts before, so I'm taking 2 contracts now. I meant to take 1 before, but 'Cause I took 2 contracts before, so I'm taking 2 contracts now. I meant to take 1 before, but 'Cause I took 2 contracts before, so I'm taking 2 contracts now. When was this? I don't recall trading them individually, to be honest. I did the evals individually. Whatever. I mean, it's just a learning. Before you implemented the ORB, ORB has been my main strategy since the very beginning, since August 2023. I don't know. And the two-legged pullbacks are maybe a year old. Like around this time last year, I started doing them. Not consistently. I would stop because there's days where it's like, all right, there's nothing showing up, so I would stop trading them. But the risk management part is the hardest part because there's no reason why I should blow the accounts today. It's just the other trade was bad. And I not only did I take a bad trade, I also took it with 2 contracts. So instead of losing like 800 bucks, I lost 1,500 bucks, and now I'm trying to recover that. So instead of taking 1 contract, I'm taking 2 contracts, and I'm gonna lose the accounts because nothing's working today because it's a down. I said it in the beginning of the stream. Today is either gonna reject or break out. So if it pulls back, it's not gonna be a good long. So it is what it is. The Dominican trader, I'll tell you this much. You have way better memory than I do because maybe I was, not, but I don't remember. If I'm green on the day, yeah, maybe I'll do like 1 account or something because the other accounts don't need to be traded. But I don't remember doing this as 1 account at a time because I would need so many trades and that's not possible. So it wouldn't be a long-term strategy to do a 1 account at a time. The whole point of the strategy is to do 1 trade in a day and win and have a nice green day. But the mental errors is when we fall apart. So taking those 2 contracts on the trade before where it wasn't even like technically a setup ruined the accounts. It's not this trade. This trade, I would have lost 800 bucks on this trade and would have fought another day, right? But now I took 2 contracts because I'm trying to recover the loss from before and the accounts are pretty much dead. But it's all right. Wow, now they're calling me. The dealership. Unbelievable. Yeah, I'm about to flip out on him. Literally just called. Get rid of it is what it is. I'm not worried. If these accounts were like something, they're pretty much fresh accounts because I just recovered the losses from last week on them. They were barely up. And they're monthly accounts, so for the most part. So unfortunately, the 150K accounts don't have a good promo for activation, so I did monthly for the most part. Well, if they speak, it does. The market's not gonna move too much, unless it's market specific, right? Or something crazy, because they speak all the time. Now, I get what he's saying. I get what he's saying, but I made a mistake, so now I can't recover from the mistake unless I get a winning trade. Right? If I get a winning trade, then yeah, I could recover. But if I don't get a winning trade, it doesn't matter. The trade I'm in right now is the trade I want to be in. It's just gonna happen that today's not gonna work because today is a bad day to long because of the daily chart and the resistance that we had. There's still a chance. Nope, no more chance. Trade to 10 days, 4 red, 6 green. Yes. As long as you have 5 green days, you're good. And market's super weak today. Oh, I guess let me try to book a golf. at least for a little bit. What a bounce. Fucking crazy. Wow. I got fucked so bad on that. All right, well, we're going to take it one more time. Whatever's left, one contract, and we'll add to a winner. Failed to go lower. It's $800 of drawdown left. Is this month green? Not for me. I'm gonna have to react. Today I have to activate my Take Profit Trader accounts because it's gonna take them like 2-3 days to do that, and I really need Take Profit Trader accounts to get to a green month. Final trade here. I got fucking terribly stopped out there. It would have been break even right now. That's fucking crazy. What are the odds? What are the odds of getting stopped out right there? And getting stopped out up there is high, but for it to not go any lower on such a weak day, that's what the problem is. All right, well, this is going to be an all-day hold now, and just hopefully we could add to it if it works. If this goes straight up, though, now, I am going to be so pissed at myself. Wow. Would you look at that? I got totally fucked on that. Guys, it does not matter. As long as you're green 5 days, $150. No, or $50. This is $50. As long as you're green $50 5 days, it does not matter what happens in the other days. Wow, this would have been a great trade now. Already up 33 points. Oh man, I got fucking destroyed on that stop. Going for it. Let it be. Oh, it's gonna suck. Well, Dustin, if this pulls back, these accounts are gone. So one of us is gonna be good. But to get stopped out like that, it's painful. Yeah, look at that, 50 points right there. It would have been my first target. Special guest, he's talking about himself, his own trading. It'll probably pull back. I mean, it's very red on the day. And it didn't have like a crazy reason to bounce yet. Actually, everything wrong that could have went today did. You're finding it difficult to follow what's happening. I'm long right now at 874 because I added to a winner, but basically took a trade here out of frustration, and instead of taking one contract, I was on two contracts without realizing it. So instead of losing just 760, I lost $1,500. So then I kind of just took two contracts here. So instead of trading one contract today, I'm trading two contracts, and it's just adding up, and everything's losing, right? So everything's losing. So not only am I trading two contracts, but everything's losing. So it's a big mess. And then I get stopped out right here to the bottom tick. Like, it's crazy. Like, I would be up pretty much. I'll be pretty much break even on the day now, believe it or not. If I didn't get stopped out here, I am break even on the day because I was down $2,200, and this would be now, you know, $1,000 each contract, so almost $1,800 combined. So I'll be down 300 bucks. Crazy how like small things like that could completely change how the accounts look. Maybe we could salvage a little bit. We'll see. Just mistimed that. But this needs to go up. Long ways to go, but we'll see. We could get a squeeze, and we could definitely get 100 points on this. Come on. Yeah, it's resisting that. Previous low here. Big resistance level right now. Probably want to pull back, stop me out first, and then go. I have a feeling that's going to happen. Man, needed good momentum from last week and getting destroyed this week. I guess I just got to be very aggressive on the long, on the strong days. I got to be very aggressive. Come on. Really frustrating though because of this stop. My initial, if my entry was here and I never stopped out there, we're break even on the day. It's crazy versus being down 3,000. I risked like 1,800, almost $2,000 here. Rejected again. I don't trade ORBs. The ORB you're referring to, I don't trade. I've attempted the 15-minute, but just couldn't get much going with that. But yeah, I don't trade like an opening range trade. My opening range trade is not an opening range trade, so I'm not gonna confuse anyone. I confuse enough people already. But my opening trade is not an opening range trade the same way that is viewed in the general public of traders. Yeah, this 900 level is crazy. It's either going to resist hard or it's going to break out and snap right into the 950s. Come on, go. No, it won't go. Fuck. All right, let's see. Should I book a tea time? At 1:30. Did I get the Cayenne? Pretty much. Not. I didn't get it, but pretty much. Going Saturday to get it. It was really nice. Oh man. I don't know what's going on in the chat. Got my first payout last December. Need one more day for my second payout. Let's go, Casey Trading. That's nice. You need one more flip day or an actual profitable day? One more $150 day on Top Step. You could do it. I just keep thinking if I didn't get stopped out, if I didn't get stopped out, if I didn't get stopped out, but that's a big if. But you see what I'm saying? It's so hard to make money. Like, look, I'm in this trade for so long now, and I'm up $1,300. I lost $2,000 in minutes. 3 times today. When am I going to upload the 2025 recap? I don't know. I got to film it. Always something going on. After I'm done streaming, I always find something to do and just I don't have time to activate my trade day accounts because I got to do some kind of quiz. And I got to upload a new KYC document for Take Profit because they're redoing them. Just haven't had time to do it. So I didn't take the money out from last month in my Take Profit wallet because I refuse to take 10 minutes out of my day to go and fill out a KYC. Well, we're still getting a breakout, so that's still a chance. I DJ as well. I DJ and I do YouTube, so I have 3 jobs. But DJing is my primary, like, career, I would say. Been doing it for 20 years. This past weekend was 20 years. Well, it's like around this time, I think. Let's see. Let's look at the calendar. What was a weekend in January of 2006? Yeah, so actually might have been today. Today or tomorrow is my exactly 20 years since I became a DJ, because I know it was the second weekend of January of 2006. Any advice for someone to just day trade as work? Day trading for a living is so difficult because How the hell do you survive bad streaks? Yeah, although I'm trying to like get the most out of this trade if it goes. Unbelievable. Would be up. Well, I would have sold already a little bit, but would be pretty much break even on the day, maybe down a little bit. It's very unfortunate. Having a backup plan makes trading so much easier. I don't know about making it easier as in making money with trading. It just makes it easier when you don't make money. Miss K, who says I don't have OF? Hmm? Do you feel empty sometimes from trading? That's strange. So I think if trading is going really well for you, then you should definitely look into doing something else like real estate, or you need a second business. Trading will be your primary and then you have a secondary. You need something else to kind of like fulfill that emptiness. Am I not gonna take a partial? I am at 954. I hope it grinds up there. Probably won't, but hey, if it does, you could save these accounts. Final edge. Are you willing to share how much money you make from trading? Pick up golf, by the way. That'll keep you busy. I'm thinking about going golfing today, even though it's 45 degrees, but it's actually nice out. 45, sunny. If I could get like 9, I just want to see like how my ball is gonna fly with all the practice I've done. Should I go at 120? Is that gonna be too late? What's the biggest payout I got from Apex? I don't know. 36,000, I think. Miss K, that's a lie. I actually lost weight, but I was actually like 7 to 8 pounds heavier in the summertime. So golf actually made me lose weight. Still got a long ways to go though. I don't know. I don't know if I should go or not. What if I get paired up with some stupid people? Actually, I don't know. Is it better to get paired up with really good players or with some kids? But it's a weekday, so maybe kids won't be there. I don't know. It's winter golf. I've never done it. It's only one golf course that's open, really. All right. Well, now I could go play golf now. That happened quick. All right. Well, 5 accounts gone. Dean, I have one of those, but it's closed. Like I said before, it's probably gonna drop, stop me out, and go. Yeah, I said that we could probably find it. I said it's gonna. Yeah, I knew it. It's gonna drop just enough, trap, and then it's gonna go. So whatever. I'm gonna go play golf. That's gonna be the best thing I could do, and I'm gonna try to pass some evals tomorrow on PPI. Hopefully it's clean. All right, guys. So today's a bad day. A couple bad things happened, but just another day in the battlefield. It's not been a good month since literally. It's almost a month since literally like 3rd week of December. It's been brutal for me. So kind of used to it now. Yeah, since the 22nd of December. But look at that. Holy fuck. That is so frustrating. All right, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just gonna go play some golf. I'm gonna book a tee time for like 12:30 and see if I could get like 10 holes in or something. Later, guys. Yeah, I know, Miss K. We are both teasing. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. No worries about it. I mean, these accounts weren't like growing or anything like that anyway. So I just recovered a big loss on them. So they were pretty much. You could see like I lost pretty much at break even, right? I mean, not break even, at the max loss, so 145. This one, I mean, this one I was up like 2 grand, and this one was up like 2 grand, but it is what it is. See you guys. Go play some golf.